Another episode of DSB Motorsports right now. So usually I work a lot on customers' cars. This is a little bit new. This is my personal car. It's a 2004 IS300, and it's been sitting for about 2 months already. And finally, I have time around to get to work on it. So we're gonna go through an unboxing video of everything I'm doing right now to it. It is an automatic, but not for long. First of all, I want to thank everybody that supports me on this video, or supports me in general. And just please subscribe and like if you want to see more content. Thank you. So, this is already open, but the first package we have to open is from Serial 9. We're running some solid differential bushings from them. So, these are new. That's the first package we're doing.
That's package number 1 right there.
Package number 1. The second thing, they were kind enough to send me half of the differential bushing, due to the fact that you'll see in the next couple package why. Because we're not running an IS300 differential on this car. We're running something a little bit better. Okay, maybe a lot better. And for the engine, and the only package I have, because they're shot for now, they've been ordered for a long time. That's why we went with these. Might upgrade later in the future for more of a solid one. These are some Megan Racing motor mounts. Mine are completely destroyed. If you own a 2J, they go bad. And with the mileage my car has, it's normal wear and tear. What we're running here, we have a nice -4 master cylinder line for the clutch system, clutch line, with a nice billet aluminum adapter, running a 3/8 bore Willwood master cylinder. That's gonna be nice. So, thank you. All these boxes are a kit, all come from the same company. I've been researching this company for a very long time. I'm lucky to afford this now, but I've been looking for this for a very long time, about 2 to 3 years. And this is from Joel Granite, from Granite Racing. He actually has the stick shift world record right now. So, with all my research, this should be the best. We're doing an installation video on this, of course. So what we have here is 2 of his setups that he made. They sent it to me. So here what we have is a beautiful twin disc clutch from Clutch Master. How to install the clutch. And if I'm not mistaken, this is, I'll get the spec right now, but this is the FX 750. If I'm not mistaken. I'm not even gonna open this up yet. All the bolts and hardware for it right now, for the flywheel. There's nothing out there. But it's flywheel and a twin disc. Beautiful. first time you saw was his kit with now it's granite racing right here. Want one, Eric?
Yeah, I like stickers.
Definitely gonna put this on the wall, sticker wall. Let's see what we have. If I'm not mistaken, I did not go. Yeah, he gave me that. I did not go with the SFI bell housing for reasons right now. He also included some shirts and hoodies.
Nice. Some merch in there.
I got some merch with it. I'm not a hat person, but I might rock it.
It's a little care
Never
package.
had a hat in my life. Inside here, we have the transmission mount that he designs. All the urethane. Right here. It has a nice little warning. Must set pedal stopper. Gotta design another pedal stopper for my car now. Did one for the red car. I think maybe I ordered one. Ooh. And after. Oh, he already included this. And this is a complete kit. The electrical system for it. Nice. I don't have to go crazy, man. Trying to wire it up. That's the best thing of all. I don't have to go making plugs and that. It already comes preset. I think the best thing about this one, that is the aluminum one, especially after the car's not gonna be at full power yet, and not going into competition, like crazy competition yet. I don't have to do all the measurement for the SFI bell housing and order dial pins or nothing like that. I can worry about that later when I upgrade. Cause there will be an upgrade on this. Don't tell the wife. Oh, the shift knob, the adapter, the shift knob. Dude, it's heavy.
It's weighted.
Yeah. No. Hardware, and the billet alignment tool. Pilot bearing right here. Everything is that I need. Pretty heavy. Right here. Bell housing. IS300 cross member. The transmission. Put everything else away. Now let's get to the big box.
What is this? Now what is this?
The good stuff. Perfect. The polyurethane bushings for the differential mount. Hey Eric, I need help. Come on. I need help. So it's already fully assembled. Oh yeah. I don't have to worry about assembling it. That was the reason I went this route. Didn't have to deal with it. Ready to drop in. Just put you already did the adjusting. Here we go. So we have if I'm not mistaken, this is a Ford Cobra. I don't know much about Ford differential. It could be a Thunderbird or a Explorer, DC. within Ford 8.8 rear end swap. Now inside here, we have a True Tech full LED system for 10 rear end. Ooh, he already grinded this down for me. You want to take it out completely? So, what do we have here? It is a Termac T56 Magnum F. This is quick. Pretty short throw. This is a pretty short throw. Oh, that's beefy. I want to take it apart somehow. Bring it. I know your job is to take things apart, but not this one. Ordered it like this on purpose. Dextron 3 ATF only. We're gonna just order the Termac fluid for it. Right now it's in first. Second. Third. Fourth. Okay. Fifth. Sixth.
Yeah, when we have the actual
I
shifter.
need the whole if I had the whole shifter, I could do it. What do you think, Eric?
It looks like you're gonna go fast.
I think it's time to order a motor now.
You're gonna go. Oh my god.
I think I already know my motor.